Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your home. My dear students, in the previous video, we have started our chapter 3, Introduction to Windows 10, and we have completed up to page number 28 and topic starting Windows. In this video we are going to start next topic, that is components of Windows 10. So in this video we will study about the components of Windows 10 as well as so many topics. First one is desktop. So these are the components of Windows 10. First thing is desktop. Second is icons. First we will study about the desktop. After the Windows OS is loaded, desktop is the first screen which appears on the monitor. You can see here. Now this is the desktop. Okay. So here this is the first screen which appears on the monitor. Frequently used things are placed on the desktop of the computer. The desktop of computers contains the icons and taskbar. You can see here their small icons are given, which are icons and bars. We will study about this later, that is icons and taskbar. So first we are going through, first one is icons. We know that what is icons. Icons are the small pictures on the desktop. These are the small picture. You can see, I'm going to zoom it. You can see this is the small pictures here. Here this is the icons, small pictures on the desktop known as icons. A window gets open or the program is executed by double clicking on the icons. When you will double click on this small icons, double click, then the desktop of the, here you can see a window gets opened when you will double click on the icons. So now the next one, next line. Now this PC, that is personal computer, shortcut and recycle bin are the common icons on the desktop. So the shortcut of PC shortcut and recycle bin are the common icon on the desktop, as well as personal computer shortcut and recycle bin. They both are the common icons on the desktop. Okay. Now next thing, by double clicking on the PC shortcut, that is these small icons, a window opens up which let you check the content of the computer hard disk, that is CD, compact disc or DVD. Okay, or any other storage devices like pen drive. So when you will double click the PC shortcut, a window opens and that will let you check the content of the computer hard disk, whether that is CD, DVD or any other storage devices, for example like pen drive. Okay. Now next, on deleting. Now we are going to talking about the deleting a file or folder, it goes the recycle bin. When you will delete any particular files from your desktop, then it directly goes into the recycle bin. So for seeing that deleted file or folder, we can double click on the recycle bin icon, then there you will get your deleted file or folder in the recycle bin. Now some icons also show the file or a folder. We save our work in files in a computer. A folder is a collection of a file. This is very, very important. What is a folder? Folder means a collection of files known as folder. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 28. Here we are going to discuss about the commonly used icons. So some of the commonly used icons are folder icons, file icon, program icons. So first one is folder icons. What is folder icon? A folder refers to the collection of file, you know that, because it helps us in keeping the file organized in a good way. Means the folder refers to the collection of the file. So basically folder icons refer to the collection of files and it helps us in keeping the files organized. Now second is file icon. First one is folder icon, second one is file icon. Here the icons of files are different. They both are different. How? We save our work in a file in the computer, that is file icon. But folder is a collection of a file. Okay? I am repeating once again. File means the icons of the files are different. File icon, and it save our work in a file in the computer. Whether a folder refer to the collection of file, it help us in keeping the file organized. Okay, now the next one is program icons. Program icons means, you know that on clicking the program icon, a program starts. This is the main commonly used of icon of a program icon, that when you click the program icon, the program starts. Okay. Now my dear students, we have completed desktop icons and some of the commonly used icons, and now we are going to start. We are going to read about the taskbar. Taskbar. Here you know, I'm going to zoom it little bit. You can see the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the computer is known as taskbar. You know that here, this one. Here you can see this is red line at the bottom of the computer, that is known as taskbar. Here you can see this one is the task bar. Okay. Now the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the computer is known as the task bar. Here you can see so many buttons are given. We will study one by one. Let's study about the components of the taskbar. We have already studied about the taskbar, that is the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the computer is known as the taskbar. Now we are going to study about the component of the taskbar. So here first is start button. You can see, my dear student, start button, it is present on the left corner. Where it is present in the left corner, you can see here, this is the start button. Start button, you can see start button. So it is present on the left corner of the computer, on the taskbar. By clicking on this button, a list of program or options appears, and this is known as start menu. Okay. For starting a program, search a file or folder, or shutting down the computer, we use the start menu. This is very, very important, that for start, you can see, for starting a program or searching a file or folder, or shutting down the computer. Shutting down the computer, we use the start menu. Start menu. Start menu. Here you can see. Now this is all about the start menu, start button. Now we are going to study about search box. Now this is the search box, you can see. I'm going to zoom it a little bit. This is search box. What is the work of search box? Here you can see. It helps us in quickly looking for a program or an application on the computer. Search box help you quickly what you want to looking for. It will give you the very quick response to you. If you will search anything, then it help us quickly looking for a program or an application on the computer. We can type the name of a file or folder which we want to search and open. Then press the enter key. The file or folder will open up. So this is all about the search box. Come to the page number 30. Here the next topic is about notification area. So what is notification area? My dear student, present on the right corner of the taskbar, it shows date, time, and a group of small icons which tell us about the status of the programs running on the computer. That is known as the notification area. You can see here, this is the notification area. It shows the date and time. Date and time and a group of small icon which tell us about the computer status of the computer running on the computer. Okay, status of the programs running on the computer. Now the last topic, today's last topic is peek button. Present at the end of the notification area. Here you can see notification area, but at the peak of that, here is a peek button. By clicking on this, all open windows are minimized and the desktop is displayed. That is known as peek button. That is on the present at the end of the notification area. By clicking this button, all open windows are minimized and desktop is displayed. There is a middle part of the taskbar which has some icons of the program which are frequently used. It displays the icons of the computer which are currently opened. These icons have a highlighted line under them. So this is all about the peek button. In the next video, we will study about the changing the background of desktop and components of Windows and so more. So my dear student, in this video I am going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.